One of the best things about RV travel is that it combines the freedom of the open road with the comfort of bringing a little piece of home with you. But anyone who spent time in an RV knows that space is limited, organization matters, and the right tools can make a huge difference. That's why in this video, I'm going to share the 20 best RV gadgets that are truly worth every cent. Let's kick things off with the first gadget. Portal Camping Folding Table. If you've ever set up camp and wished for a reliable surface to prepare meals, play cards, or even just hold your gear, the Portal Camping Folding Table is exactly what you need. It's built from rust and wear-resistant aluminum, which means it's tough enough to withstand outdoor use without getting banged up too quickly. What I really like is how lightweight it is, only 9 pounds, yet it can support up to 132 pounds. That means it's strong enough to hold a camp stove, a cooler, or a full spread of food and drinks without wobbling. And because it has adjustable legs, you can set it up comfortably, whether you're on grass, gravel, or an uneven campsite. Number 2. GCI Outdoor Road Trip Rocker RV Camping Chair. After a long drive or a busy day setting up camp, there's nothing better than sitting back and relaxing, and the GCI Outdoor Road Trip Rocker takes comfort seriously. Unlike your standard folding chair, this one is built from alloy steel, so it's both sturdy and reliable. It can hold up to 250 pounds while still being easy enough to carry at 12.8 pounds. What sets it apart is the smooth rocking motion. It's not just a chair, it's more like bringing a front porch rocker with you wherever you go. The 20-inch seat height and 26-inch seat depth give it a roomy, supportive feel, so you won't feel cramped after sitting for a while. Number 3. Initaroel Waterproof Rugs. One of the challenges of RV living is keeping the inside clean. Dirt, sand, and mud have a way of sneaking in, especially if you're moving in and out often. That's why the Initaroel waterproof rug is such a smart addition to your setup. This rug is made from flat-woven polypropylene, which makes it both fade-resistant and weatherproof. It's also UV-resistant, so it won't break down under the sun as quickly as other mats. At 6 by 9 feet, it's large enough to cover the ground outside your RV door or create a comfortable outdoor living space. Number 4. Coghlan's Lightweight Trash and Recycle Can. Trash management might not be the most exciting part of RV life, but it's definitely one of the most important. The Coghlan's collapsible trash and recycle can makes it much easier to stay organized and keep your campsite tidy. It's built from durable polyethylene, but still weighs only 3.7 pounds. Don't let the lightweight fool you though. It can hold up to 111 liters of waste, which is plenty for a family camping trip. The best feature, in my opinion, is that it's collapsible. When you don't need it, it folds flat for storage, but when it's time to use, it pops right up and holds its shape. Number 5. OutView Fire Pit. For many RV owners, evenings around a fire are the highlight of a trip. The OutView Fire Pit makes that experience safer, easier, and more versatile. This isn't just a basic fire bowl, it's built from solid iron and weighs in at 35 pounds, giving it a sturdy, stable base that can handle repeated use. It burns wood, which gives you that authentic campfire feel, but what makes it special are the 360-degree swivel grills. These grills let you cook over the fire evenly, turning it into both a heat source and a functional outdoor kitchen. Number 6. Thermacell Mosquito Repellent Lantern. If you've ever tried enjoying an evening outside your RV, you know how quickly mosquitoes can ruin the mood. That's where the Thermacell Mosquito Repellent Lantern becomes an absolute game changer. Unlike sprays and lotions that can feel sticky or smelly, this lantern provides scent-free mosquito protection without any direct application. It runs on 3 AA batteries and uses replaceable repellent mats, covering a decent outdoor area. Since it's spray-free, you don't have to worry about chemicals on your skin or food. At just 0.36 kilograms, it's lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry around camp. Number 7. Maxhaul Rubber Wheel Chalk. Safety is something you can't overlook in RV life, and the Maxhaul Rubber Wheel Chalk is one of those simple but essential gadgets. These chalks are designed to keep your RV securely in place when it's parked, especially on uneven ground or sloped driveways. Made from durable, oil-resistant rubber, they're built to handle pressure and last through repeated use. Each one weighs about 8 pounds, which gives them the heft needed to stay put without sliding. The textured surface grips your tires firmly, preventing dangerous rolling or shifting. Number 8. Wise Owl Outfitters Camping Hammock. One of the best parts about RV trips is finding the perfect spot to unwind, and a hammock takes that relaxation to the next level. The Wise Owl Outfitters Camping Hammock is designed for durability, comfort, and portability. All the things you want when you're on the road. It's made from 210T rip-resistant nylon, the same kind of material used in parachutes. That means it's tough enough to handle outdoor conditions, yet still lightweight and compact. Folded up, it's only 5 by 5 inches, making it easy to stash in a backpack or RV storage bin. Number 9. VibaCore RV Awning Lights. Lighting can make or break the atmosphere around your RV, and the VibaCore RV awning lights are both functional and fun. These RGB lights are designed specifically for RVs and campers, adding a colorful glow under your awning or along the sides of your vehicle. They're IP65 waterproof and shockproof, which means they'll hold up well against outdoor conditions. At just 0.77 kilograms, they're lightweight, and the fact that they're battery-powered with lithium-ion cells makes them easy to manage. With a 12-month warranty, they're also backed by reliable support. Number 10. HI Ninger Collapsible Cutting Board. Space is always at a premium in an RV kitchen, and that's where the HI Ninger Collapsible Cutting Board really shines. At first glance, it looks like a simple cutting board, but it actually works as a multifunctional kitchen tool. It's made from PP, TPR, and stainless steel, giving it a durable, food-safe surface. The real magic is in its collapsible design. You can use it flat as a cutting board, then expand it to turn it into a basin for washing vegetables or storing ingredients. At only 1.8 pounds, it's lightweight and easy to handle, yet sturdy enough for regular use. 11. Beach Lane Wireless RV Leveling System. One of the trickiest parts of RV camping is getting your rig level. Nobody enjoys sleeping at an angle, and unlevel setups can even cause problems with appliances like refrigerators. That's why the Beach Lane Wireless RV Leveling System is such a useful gadget. This system uses sensors to give you real-time leveling information, so instead of guessing or relying on a bubble level, you get accurate feedback right on your phone. It runs on just 2 AA batteries and offers a full year of battery life, which means it's low maintenance and always ready to go. Number 12. Generic Propane Replacement Fuel Cylinder. Cooking and heating on the road often comes down to propane, and having a reliable backup source is critical. The generic propane replacement fuel cylinder is a practical option that's both durable and lightweight. Made from metal, this cylinder weighs only 6 pounds, but it's designed to store 16 ounces of propane safely. Its compact size makes it easy to keep on hand as a backup or for smaller portable stoves and heaters. Number 13. Sanqua Rectangle Tablecloth. A tablecloth might seem like a small detail, but when you're camping, it can make a big difference in both cleanliness and comfort. The Sanqua rectangle tablecloth is designed for durability and convenience, making it a smart addition to your RV gear. It's made from fade-resistant polyester, which is both scratch-resistant and wrinkle-resistant. Measuring 84 by 60 inches, it fits most rectangular picnic tables, giving you plenty of coverage. At just 15 ounces, it's lightweight and folds up neatly for storage. Number 14. Crown Shade's Outdoor Sunshade. When you're parked at a sunny campsite, shade becomes your best friend. The Crown Shade's Outdoor Sunshade is a reliable pop-up canopy that provides both comfort and protection. Built with a sturdy alloy steel frame and covered with 150D fabric, it's not only water-resistant but also flame-resistant. A big plus for safety when camping. Weighing in at 36 pounds, it's stable and secure once set up, but still manageable to transport. Number 15. Zero-Core Portable Solar Generator. Power is always a concern when traveling off-grid, and the Zero-Core Portable Solar Generator is designed to keep your devices running smoothly. This unit provides up to 300 watts of power and even includes a 60-watt solar panel, making it an eco-friendly solution for RVers who want more independence from hookups. Weighing only 5 pounds, it's lightweight and portable, which makes it easy to move around or store when not in use. It runs on lithium-ion batteries and supports multiple charging options, including solar, AC, and DC. That means you can use it to charge laptops, phones, cameras, and even small appliances. Number 16. At-Call Cell Phone Booster for RV. Staying connected on the road can be a challenge, especially if you travel through remote areas where cell service is spotty. The At-Call Cell Phone Booster is designed to solve exactly that problem. This device is waterproof, shockproof, and wear-resistant, which makes it tough enough for outdoor and travel use. Weighing just over 4 pounds, it's compact but powerful enough to amplify weak signals, improving both voice and data connections. Number 17. Garmin InReach Mini 2 Satellite Communicator. Sometimes even a booster isn't enough, especially if you're truly off the grid. That's where the Garmin InReach Mini 2 Satellite Communicator steps in. This compact device offers two-way messaging and SOS alerts via satellite, which means you're never truly out of reach, even when cell towers are miles away. It features a 1.27-inch screen, Bluetooth connectivity, and has an incredible 336 hours of battery life. It's also water-resistant, which makes it reliable in rugged conditions. Number 18. Renogy 200-watt portable solar panel. Powering your RV efficiently is always a concern, especially if you enjoy boondocking. The Renogy 200-watt portable solar panel is a heavy hitter in this space. It's made from high-efficiency monocrystalline silicon, delivering up to 200 watts of power. What makes it great for RV use is that it's foldable, lightweight at just under 14 pounds, and compatible with most power stations and devices, from smartphones and tablets to laptops and cameras. It delivers a maximum voltage of 21.6 volts and an impressive 11.3 amps of current, which is plenty to keep your essential devices running. Number 19. GearGo RV Surge Protector. Electrical safety is something no RVer should overlook. The GearGo RV Surge Protector protects your RV's electrical system from unexpected power surges and faulty campground hookups. Weighing just 3.3 pounds, it's lightweight but built from flame-retardant materials for added safety. It comes with a 3-year warranty, which shows the manufacturer's confidence in its durability. Number 20. RVer RV Automatic Portable Air Compressor. Flat tires or low pressure can quickly turn a great trip into a stressful one. That's why the RVer RV automatic portable air compressor is one of the smartest tools you can carry. This heavy-duty compressor runs on 12 volts, delivers up to 150 psi of maximum operating pressure, and comes with a 60-foot hose, long enough to reach all the tires on most RVs. It's also relatively quiet, operating at 69 decibels, which is much less disruptive than many compressors. And there you have it, 20 best RV gadgets that are truly worth every cent. From boosting your comfort and convenience to ensuring safety and power independence. These tools are all about making RV life smoother, easier, and more enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more product insights, and share it with fellow RV travelers who might find it useful. I've also added Amazon links to each product in the description below, so you can check them out for more details and current pricing.